Welcome back everyone to a new video. Today I get my car prepped up for the new show season. Because I've got a funny feeling it's going to be quite a big one this year. You know, obviously last year was quite poor really for showers. So hopefully this year's going to be a lot better. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I've got some new stuff to fit. And before we get into the installation video and review, I'll quickly show you what I got. And then we'll get to the installation video. So let's just show you what I've bought so far. Because I've got one already installed. Check that out. So a quick run through what sort of stuff you may need. But yeah, tape measure to get it bang the centre lined up properly, because obviously the new ones are a lot smaller than the original ones. Heat gun or hairdryer will do the job to hit the glue up. Trim removal tools to get the old cover off. Masking tape to obviously line it up to get in place. Glue gun, which I'll come to now why you may need it. And the reason for that is because this is just me, but when I had mine, I can try the best to get it to focus for you. But here I just needed a slightly bit more glue on for my liking, stop the water getting in. Because obviously if water gets in here, it's just going to play up. And also, little metal pin connectors here. Again, I'll try my best to get it to focus. Now, when I didn't come through both of them, these little metal pins here would actually go up and down, so which means one was longer than the other, which could cause it to play up basically. So what I've done is put a bit of glue on each side here, just to prevent that from moving. So it's just a little criticism I've got there, but nothing that a hot glue gun will fix. So first things first is just to heat this up and then just pull the old one off, and then just get your trim removal tool at the corners and just work it away along. And obviously then, once you've got the old cover off, just get your trim removal tools again. Across this way you need to run the wire through. Also you've got to take your seal off and this bit of plastic here, if you can see that. So we'll get that off now, get the rubber seal off. Then after that it's just literally clean it all up and then just measuring it up perfectly to get it all fitted nicely. So all the sticky pads off now, but before we clean it up, save you some time, what I've done, which I find bang in the centre, is if you measure 7 inches from the original line, if you can, so there, that's where you put a bit of masking tape there, and that should equally level in the centre for you. So hopefully that works for you, but it works for me, so it should work for you. So I've cleaned it all up now, and I'll just wind it all up. Now it is a bit of a pain making sure you get the right way around the connectors, because obviously this could be on, but that light might be off, so all you've got to do is just twist it round until you get the right combination basically. But as you can see, everything works here. The blue light underneath the footwell, and obviously the sill here is working nicely. So it's just a matter of sticking it down and wiring it up through here, and then obviously underneath the driver's side dash, and then that's it. It's literally simple to do, plug and play.